The Leopard 53 has been a really challenging design project because the standard was set really high with the previous boat, the Leopard 51. So the brief was, we need a boat now which is bigger and better, but we had to use the same engines. And in that whole process, we really had to concentrate on not only to reach that performance, we had to concentrate on increasing the efficiency of the hull, but also the efficiency of the superstructure. We had to look for a lower drag on the superstructure in order to achieve that. And the interesting thing was that at least we were giving a blank piece of paper by Leopard as far as design is concerned. We were not constrained in working with the basis of a sailing cat as what we had to do with the 51. So the 53 is, a Powercat designed from the ground up. And that at least gave us the possibility to fully optimize not only the hull shape, but also the superstructure. The net result is that we managed to create a boat which is actually 30% bigger in volume. Accordingly also about 1,500 to 2,000 kilos heavier. And yet its performance is slightly better in the mid-range than the original boat, which has been quite an achievement. And it has been reached really just by reducing the wind resistance and the hull resistance. The Powercat is really an interesting beast to look at because it is still new territory design-wise. And we set the bar so high with the 51 that it seemed like nearly an impossible challenge when we started. But looking back on it, it's been a process of over 2 years designing. We now concluded the first set of trials, including an overnight run to an island called Dawson Island in quite rough conditions. And the boat just really performed beautifully. It has nice seakeeping characteristics. We got very little spray running up the bows because we concentrated on designing a type of destroyer bow which would throw up less water and did not have the requirement for a large chine to stop the spray. That seemed to be working really well. We optimized an internal tunnel design for the bow thruster, which gives very little added resistance, so that works really well. Overall it was actually an exciting set of trials to do, and I'm very optimistic about what this boat is going to do in the market. I'm waiting for the final verdict, which is going to be what the potential customers out there are going to think of it.